Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch Allen Bradley PanelView 1250 to from CCFL to our LSR series LED kits. This LED kit contains one LSR series LED strips, one LED driver, one 6-pin connectors. Okay, and you can also purchase this what we call, this is the part number UB54. This is the aluminum. I'm going to show you later on. Okay, so first let's take a look. This is, it's a 2711P-RDT12C. It's a Allen Bradley. Okay, it's PanelView Plus 1250. So in order to replace the LED strip, upgrade the LED, first we have to remove this two screws and this cover to disconnect the touch glass connectors. And then also there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Okay, so the last screws out. I also disconnected the touch screen already. Now you can just grab, lift up, be careful of the cable, and then set aside this touch screen and upside down. Okay, so let me set that aside. And we had to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4 screw, and then the one C-shaver lamp, and then cable on the back. Okay, the last screws out, so you can lift it up. There's a cable here. When you see it, see that? Just you need to disconnect it. All right, and then the CCFL lamp. Okay, so let's set aside. We can do the LED upgrade. We just took the LCD screen out, so to upgrade from CCFL to our LSR series is quite simple for this display. Just one small Phillips screw here. You need to unscrew it and just pull the reflector out, just like that. Pull it out. Okay. So you just stick this LSR series in. That's it. Oops. And then you can purchase one of this if you need it. If you don't want it, if you don't have it, that's fine. Just try to push all the way up. But usually I will bend a little bit. Show you why. Because when I stick it in, you push up a little bit, so the brightness level will be much better. See that? It's a piece of tape to secure it, and it's done. Next video, I'm going to show you how to solder this wire back to the main board. Okay, a piece of tape, and we can set the screen aside and take a look at the chassis. Here is the chassis. How to connect this wires to this, and I already figured out. So we're gonna connect the black wire. You can connect both black wire or just one black wire is okay. Same thing as like orange and red one. Connect both to the positive and negative. This can capacitors. I want to show you. This can capacitor shows you negative, positive. Then white wire, no connections, and then yellow wire is really important. I already figured out this one is enabled because this machine is quite special. When you first turn it on, about 10 seconds it won't light up until 10 seconds later it will enable the whole systems to turn it on. This inverters. So this is the, I want to show it to you. See, C1N. Yeah, C1H, I'm sorry, C1H. This is enable. So I'm going to solder. You can solder either one black wire or one red wire to negative, positive, and yellow enable to C1N, C1H, I'm sorry, here. Or you can solder both white wire. Show you in the next video. So I soldered the wire, the red to the positive of this can capacitor, and black to the negative to this CAN capacitor, and then yellow to this enable. I add a little bit glue on it, just secure the wire. Here's is the screen, and I also mount this driver to here. Well, you can mount it anywhere you want to. Basically, you just connect this wire back, you know, just like that. And then you have to connect this wire here. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky to connect, so I may not be able to show it to you, but yeah. So I'm gonna put everything back. So I'm gonna put everything back, screw back, and then turn it on, fire up, and show it to you. Hello, I just put everything back together. I connect a connector, which I'm gonna apply 24 volt to it to fire up, see what's going on. And then for this particular display, they have CF slots for the program, and then I think I have to connect the Ethernet. But let's fire up. For some reason, it takes a while to fire up, about 10 to 15 minutes for that. Let me shut off the light. So this is 24 volt. I'm gonna connect 24 volt here. Just give me a few seconds. You're gonna see it, and you're gonna see actually pretty bright. Okay, go. Here we go. See this? It's actually pretty bright. Okay, so it's just checking the BIOS. After check the BIOS, if you go to your systems, but unfortunately I couldn't connect to Ethernet, and I don't have CF card, so that's why I couldn't see much about. It's gonna be switched to CF card. See? Okay. Thank you for watching.